Lunar swirls. Lunar swirls are enigmatic patterns of bright, twisted markings on the moon's surface. These formations, often found in magnetic anomalies, have raised questions about the underlying processes that create them. Researchers speculate that they might be related to the interaction between the moon's magnetic field and solar winds, but the exact mechanisms remain elusive. Magnetic anomalies. The moon's magnetic field is weaker than Earth's, but it's also far more sporadic. These anomalies suggest regions with local magnetic intensities far greater than predicted. The cause is unclear, as the moon doesn't have a molten core like Earth that would generate a strong magnetic field. Possible explanations include the presence of magnetic rocks or impacts from space. Transient lunar phenomena. Reports of temporary changes in lunar brightness or flashes of light have puzzled astronomers for centuries. Some suggest that outgassing, or the release of gases from the moon's interior, might cause these events. However, observations are sporadic and often anecdotal, making it challenging to establish a clear explanation. Lunar exosphere. The moon's exosphere, an incredibly thin and tenuous layer of gases, includes elements like sodium and potassium. Yet the origin of these elements and the mechanisms that sustain such a faint atmosphere on an airless world are still subjects of study. Impact basins. The moon's largest impact basins, such as the Icon Basin on the far side, are puzzling in their size and structure. The energy required to create them raises questions about the moon's early bombardment history and whether multiple smaller impacts or fewer larger impacts were responsible. Lunar volcanism. The moon's maria, with large dark patches on its surface, were thought to be the result of ancient volcanic activity. However, the moon's current heat sources are insufficient to explain such volcanic features. The origins of these formations continue to be a point of debate among scientists. Moonquakes. The moon experiences moonquakes, similar to earthquakes, but caused by the moon's cooling and shrinking. However, the source of these quakes and their connection to ongoing lunar geological processes aren't fully understood. Lunar water ice. The presence of water ice and permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles has sparked excitement for potential future human exploration and resource utilization. However, the source of this water and how it has survived in such cold, dark environments for billions of years remains uncertain. Lunar rilles. Lunar rilles are long, narrow depressions found on the moon's surface. They are thought to be related to volcanic activity, but their precise formation mechanisms are debated. Some rilles are straight, while others are meandering, suggesting various potential origins. Boulders on the move. Observations of boulders seemingly shifting across the moon's surface suggest that they're being moved by a process called moonquakes. But the exact details and frequency of such movements are not well understood. Hydrogen. Enigma. The moon's poles contain unexpectedly high levels of hydrogen, which could be related to water ice. However, the source of this hydrogen and its distribution across the moon's surface remain subjects of study. Moon's origin. While the leading theory, the giant impact hypothesis, posits that the moon formed from debris ejected during a collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body. Alternative explanations continue to be explored. The moon's exact origin story remains an open question. Odd crater distribution. The uneven distribution of impact craters on the moon is puzzling. Some areas have far fewer craters than expected, suggesting resurfacing events in the moon's history. The mechanisms behind these events and their implications remain uncertain. Age discrepancies. Dating moon rocks from different locations has yielded conflicting ages. This discrepancy raises questions about the moon's early history, its bombardment history, and the complexities of its geological timeline. Lunar dust. The moon's fine dust, known as regolith, poses challenges for human exploration. It clings to spacesuits and equipment, is abrasive, and poses potential health risks. Understanding its composition and behavior is crucial for future lunar missions. Thanks for watching.